I'm Marlo from Wild Food UK. It's the 19th of October and I'm out foraging again, and we're in a woodland in Herefordshire. And down here is a mushroom I should have done a video on a long time ago, to be honest. These here are something I'm gonna compare them to, but this is our false chanterelle, Hygrophoropsis aurantiaca. Now, this is a mushroom that people do mistake for the true chanterelle. As you can see, it's an orangey mushroom, whereas the Chanterelles cibarius and the other ones in that group tend to be more yellow. This one is always more orange, and you can see those orange gills there. Now, it's known as a mildly toxic mushroom. It is and has been eaten in the past. It contains a sugar alcohol called arabitol, which isn't very good for you. But I do know people that have eaten this in the past with no ill effect, whilst when it's properly cooked. It's not one I would recommend though, and it's not one they recommended after trying it because it's not particularly tasty. It's certainly not the most dangerous lookalike for your chanterelles, that being the jack-o'-lanterns, the omphalotus mushrooms. Now, this mushroom has what are called true gills, whereas the chanterelles, and I happen to have a few here, have what are called false gills. So you'll see hopefully the difference. There's our true gills looking very much like blades, and here's our false gills, which look very much like wrinkles or like creases in the skin under the cap. True gills here, false gills here on our winter chanterelle. You wouldn't normally mistake this for a winter chanterelle because of the different colouring of the cap and a few other differences. The winter chanterelle having a nice hollow stem, turning it into almost yellow legs. So that's our nickname for it at Wild Food UK, the yellow legs. But the yellow chanterelle, or the Chanterelles cibarius, you could certainly mistake this for. Now, the gills are one way of telling the difference. The other way is that the flesh of a true chanterelle is pure white, whereas if I break this in half, what you'll see is the flesh of our Hygrophoropsis aurantiaca, or false chanterelle, is not white. It's roughly the same colour as the rest of the mushroom, although it is lighter up at the top of the cap here. If that was a true chanterelle, the flesh in the middle would be pure white, and normally the stem would be a bit stouter than this. So that's how you tell the difference between your true chanterelle and your false chanterelle. Take note, and hopefully you'll go out and find some chanterelles for yourself sometime soon. Good luck with that. If you want to find out more though about mushrooms and all the other things that we do, go to wildfooduk.com.